Okay. Uh, Good evening to one and all. For 4 days training program for Revit structures and robot structures. How to create the 3D models in framed structure and how to analyze the robot structures and others, etc. Okay. Then how to create the estimation, cost scheduling, all of us. Okay. The basically the Revit is not a common tool. It's a common tool. It's for all work, not only construction work. It's also architectural template and structural template, mechanical template also. Okay. Next 4 days, let's discuss about structural template. How to create the framed structures and steel structures also. How to find the strong RCC detailing and steel detailing also. Okay, these are the template. One is the construction template, architecture, structural, mechanical templates. Okay, next 4 days, let's discuss about structural template. So, okay, I simply click this structural template. The structural templates only you create the framed structure buildings. Okay, you create the modeling of a G+4 or anyone. You simply create the structural buildings in this framed structural templates. Okay, yeah, I click this is first of all, the software is free. You simply go to Autodesk website, then download this Revit software. It's a free. You simply log in and upload your ID card also, then you simply created this software. Okay, Revit. Then now let's discuss about Revit structures. Okay, first of all, our first step is a setting on units. Okay, how to set the unit? Simply go to manage, then go to settings, then go to project settings. Okay, then go to settings, project settings. I change the feet and fractions. Okay, I simply change the feet and fractions. I simply click this feet and fractions, click OK. Okay, first of all, I simply create the grid lines. Before I starting, I create the levels. Only first floor and ground floor are there. How to create the another floors? Simply go to any elevation. You click this east or north or south, any elevation. Simply click this east elevation. Okay, simply click this east elevation. This is only the ground floor is there. Is automatically click this feet, automatically levels converted into meters. Okay, this is 3 meters. I need another one level. How to create the another level? Simply go to create option, simply go to create, then go to create similars. Okay, then go to create similar. I create the another one height. How to create this? First of all, offset. My offset distance is a 10 feet height. Okay, 10 feet height my option distance. Simply click this. 10 feet is a 3 meter. Okay, then click this 10 feet, then go to draw option, pick lines. Okay, draw option, pick lines. I simply created the another levels. Okay, I simply created the ground floor and first floor also. Okay, I simply go to click this level 1. I simply created my ground floor and first floor also. Okay, then how to our first step? I simply click this level 1. Then our first step, northwest east direction. Then how to create the grid lines for in this Revit. Okay, how to create the grid line? You already seen this plan. You create the walls and others, etc. You simply create the walls and then create the grid lines also. Okay, how to create the guidelines? Sorry, grid lines. Go to architecture, go to Dutiums. Okay, simply go to Dutium, click this grid lines. Okay, simply click this grid line. I create about grid lines. Okay, I simply go to Dutium, simply click this grid line. I created the grid. Automatically you created the any plan. Center to center dimension grid dimensions. Okay, see this, I created Dutium. I simply go to draw. You create the any shape, your line shape or arc shape, any shape of your grid dimension, center to center dimension of your building. First of all, I starting this dimensions. Okay, in this direction. Next, I need this to this direction. I need this 20 feet. I need a next one pillar. Click this simply. I need this 21. Next also I need this next center to center is a 20. The next one is the same like that. I take this 20 by 20. Create this is the direction. Then X direction. I simply click this S direction. Our next pillar is a 12 feet. Okay, I simply click this. Our next pillar is a 16 feet. Okay, I simply click this 16 feet. Then our next pillar is a 20 feet. Okay, this is the grid line creation. Okay, simply go to Dutium, then go to grid. Simply create this grid lines. Okay, your vertical grid X direction and Z direction also easily created your grid also. See this automatically. I simply created this grid direction in X direction and X direction and Z directions. Okay, you create in the grid. This is our alphabetical, this is our numerical, the opposite direction only you will create this grid names. Okay, I tell about what purpose you will be grid. This is a numerical, this is a alphabetical, what purpose. Okay, this is our 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 grids are there. This is our opposite side. I need this alphabetical. How to change the alphabetical? Simply double click this box, then click this A. This is why 1 2 3. This is a A B C D. Double click this. This is a B. Then double click this. This is a C. Then double click this. This is a D. Okay, I simply created this A B C D. You will create this the 1 2 3 4 grid. This is our A B C D. This is the method. You will create any arch direction grids or any grids. You will be simply created this methods. Okay, now it's clear. You simply created it. This direction is a 1 2 3 4 and this direction A B C D. This is our first method. Okay, simply created it a 1 2 3 4. You will be created it. Okay, then how many columns I will find out? This is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 columns. Okay, I created the 16 columns in this structures. Okay, how to create the 16 columns? That's a simple method I tell about. First step in Revit structure, I simply create the grid lines. Okay, I simply create the grid lines. The next step is I found the columns. Okay, normal columns also, eccentric columns and combined footings also. How to create the combined columns and normal eccentric and mat type of columns also. In this Revit structure, the first procedure is a creating of grid lines. Our next procedure is a fixing on columns. Okay, how to fix the columns? Simply go to structure template, not architecture template. I fix this structural templates. Okay, I simply go to structural template, click this structure, then structural elements are there. This is our concrete beam, this is our structural wall or shear wall, then columns and slabs are there. I created this column. Simply click this our columns. Okay, simply click this columns. Then this is our steel column is inbuilt in the steel column. I need a RCC columns. Okay, how to create this RCC column? Then you create the height is a 10 feet. Okay, I simply created my height is a 10 feet. Then how to create the this is steel column? I create the concrete column. How to create the concrete column? Then go to properties, type of properties. Okay, go to type of properties, then go to family. Then normally the steel column B section, this is our concrete columns. Okay, you need this concrete column, but you need this any other circular column or any square column. You go to library and change it. Okay, this is automatically I will created this concrete columns. Okay, this is our size, inbuilt size. My column sizes I change into different sizes. Okay, already my width is a 9-inch width. Okay, my column size is a 9-inch. My column depth is a 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, this is my corner column. My B, this B is a width, H is a depth. Okay, this is a mentioning is the B is a depth in your mention of the column dimensioning. H is the depth. Okay, this is our rectangular column. Click OK. This is our column depth. This is our eccentric footing. How to create the eccentric footing means simply fix this corner columns. This automatically I fix this corner. I fix this is a eccentric footing. Okay. Next one, this also I need this eccentric footing also. This simply provide the center. Automatically created this eccentric footing also. See this same like that. I provide this eccentric footing in this corner also. Then says automatically I provide this centers. Okay. Then I create the center one. Simply click this automatically normal footing. Isolated normal footing says automatically normal footing. Then I provide this intermediate columns. Okay. Then this column size is a normal column 1 feet by 6 inch. I change into my column size 1 feet by 9 inches. How to change this column size? Simply go to columns. Okay, simply go to columns. I change my column size for 9 inch into 1 feet 9 inches. Simply go to type of properties, then go to create duplicate. Once you create a duplicate, you will change the column size. But you do not create the duplicate, then directly change the value. All the columns will be changed the value. That is a condition. Okay, I simply go to duplicate. My column size is 9 into 1 feet 9 inches. Okay, I simply click OK. Then our breadth is 9 inches. Our depth is 1 feet 9 inch. Okay. See this automatically I create 1 feet 9 inch. See this automatically the depth will be increased. See this. How to give the orientation for your buildings? See this is our orientation. I need this type of orientation. Horizontal orientation. See this. I simply put this columns. Okay. I simply put this columns. I need this center 4 columns are depth orientation into Z side. How to change the depth orientation? How to change the orientation? Simply go to properties, type of properties, then go to duplicate. Okay, orientation. I give any one name. Simply click OK. Then breadth is our breadth is 1 feet 9 inch. Okay, our breadth is 1 feet 9 inch. It's the orientation. Next our width is 9 inch. So, okay, simply click OK. This is our orientation. This is our orientation. You automate same procedure as a stat or anyone. You change into your breadth and depth also. So automatically it change your orientations. Okay, now it's clear how to change the orientation for your columns. Okay, you change any orientation. You need the circular columns, you simply create the circular columns. Okay, see this, I simply go to Dutium grid. See this, I go to some start end radius arch, start end. I click this start point for this end in this grid. See this my radius, simply click this radius. Okay, I need the circular portion. I need the sum of the circular column for this portion. How to find the circular column for this portion? Simply go to structure, column, go to columns. Okay, this is only rectangular. I have a library. How to go to library? Simply click this load command, load option. Simply click this load options. Okay, simply click this load option. I am going to concrete for columns. Okay, simply go to structural columns, then go to concrete. I have a square column, round column, flat slab columns. So many columns are there. I need a round column. I simply click this round column, then click OK. This automatically I click this round column. This round column is dia. I need a round column's dia is 1 feet. I need this 1 feet. Okay, I need this 1 feet. My round circular dia. Simply click OK. See this, automatically put this center point. See this, automatically you provide the center point for this circular. How to see the 3D view? Simply go to view, create 3D view. See this, automatically it's created the 3D view. Then go to east view. See this level checking. This is a bottom view. See this, some of the you starting from this bottom view, this point. How to increase this height of this? I need this level 1 to level 2. Simply click this and go for this. Okay, that is one method, but it's a bottom level also. You mentioned this is my footing level, starting footing level. Simply go to create similars. Okay, then minus 10 feet I provide my footing level minus 10 feet. Go to pick line, see this, simply click this, automatically create the minus. This is my footing basement. Go to click this, this is a level 4, click this, automatically our footing level will be created. Now it's clear how to create your footing level, and also the names also will be easily created. See this, simply click this level 4, go to east view, click this level value, double click this, sorry, double click this is our, sorry, double click this, automatically you change this values also. See this, I double click this box, see this is my footing levels. Okay, you simply mention the name also, footing level. See this, automatically I create this footing levels. Okay, yes, I need this footing level. This is my ground floor, ground level, ground level GL. Okay, this is our ground level. Yes, this is our roof level, and this is a first floor roof. You simply click this level to double click this, same procedure, you click this, then this is our first floor ground floor roof. I click this name as a GF, ground floor roof. This is our first floor roof. You change the name also, you simply change the name and others also. This is a first floor roof. Now understand how to change your names and levels also. This is the first procedure. You simply create your any levels, you will be find the name also. This is my footing level. See this, automatically check the footing level, ground floor, then other side. Or see this, I simply click this my footing level also. See this, automatically this all the columns will be visible. Okay, this is the concept. You simply go to click this in your level, automatically this is our footing level, this is the ground floor, this is our floor level. So, okay, I simply am going to site work. Okay, site is a 0 1. I'm going to footing levels. Okay, first of all I created this circular columns. This is our circular column, this is our rectangular orientation columns also. So this automatically I change this orientation columns and others etc. Okay, see this, you change any drop for flat slab, you will be create the different flat slabs any ones. Okay, this our first method is over. I created the concrete columns. Okay, concrete columns, then how to change the size, simply select that, go to properties, type of properties, then change your breadth and change your height. Okay, simply change your size of your columns. Okay, this is our ground level. Then go to site marking. This site is a easy one to create the footing levels and others etc. Okay, simply go to create the footings also. Then how to create the footing levels, then how to, this is the orientation is there, right? This is some of the orientation, you will be corners also, you find this beam joint orientation also. So, okay, I simply change into this columns, I find this orientation also. Okay, then see this, I find this orientation. Then go to how to find the footings, simply go to structure, then go to foundations. Okay, then go to foundation. First of all I complete this columns, then I go to create the foundations. How to create the foundation, go to foundation, click this isolated foundation. I simply click this isolated foundation. See this, automatically it's provided the isolated foundation. How to this I create, this is our isolated foundation. How to create the sizes for your footings, how to create the sizes, simply go to properties, type of properties. Okay, I give the assumption size. Okay, simply go to my foundation thickness is a 5 inch. Okay, minimum 5 inch I will be provided. My footing size is a 4 feet by 4 feet. Okay, simply click OK. See this, simply click this, I click this, then go to view, create 3D. This automatically your footing will be fixed. This automatically your footing will be fixed. So, okay, then go to side, then I created this footings. Okay, then the footing is not visible, go to footing level. See this, automatically it will be visible. So, okay, then go to site, I create the eccentric footings. Okay, First of all, I delete this. Go to structure columns. This is our circular column. Then go to, I created this my rectangular column like this. Okay, this is our circular rectangular columns. Okay, I simply create this eccentric footing. How to create this eccentric footings? Okay, see, this is the how to create the eccentric footing is same like that. Go to structure, go to structural, then foundation isolated. Simply click this. This is our isolate, sorry, eccentric footing. See this, automatically it's created the eccentric footing. Go to view, create 3D. See this, automatically it's created the eccentric footings. Okay, this is a method to creating the eccentric footing in this uh, Revit also. Since I created same like that all the footings, simply go to architecture, structural, go to footings. This is our eccentric footing. See this, I simply created the center point and provided this eccentric footing. This also I provided this eccentric footing. This also I provided this eccentric footing. And this is also normal footing, isolated normal footings also. See this, automatically I provided this isolated normal footings. This, then this one I simply click this normal footings, this one. This, then I simply click this normal footings also. Then how to create the circular footing? You create the circular shape also, then use for circular footing. This only inbuilt have normal footing only. You need a circular footing, you will be create the edit family after I tell you how to create the circular footings and others etc. Okay, then go to 3D view. See this, automatically it shows us all of us eccentric footings, right? See this, automatically it's all of us eccentric footing. Some condition is there, how to find this, drop to this area. Okay, it's not considered as eccentric footing. I tell about this model only, how to consider this eccentric footings. Okay, I created this models. Okay, simply first step I created this model. This automatically find this. Okay, then I simply provide this rectangular footing also. I do not created this circular, I simply provided this rectangular footing in this circular portion. This is wrong, but I simply provided this rectangular footing for this sizes. Okay, I simply created this columns and spread footing and eccentric footing for your areas. Okay, then how to create your combined footings. Okay, how to create the combined footing for this portion? The simple procedure, go to this one, then see this, automatically this is our footing. I delete this one footings. Simply go to 3D, I delete this one. Okay, simply click this, go to site one, then I create this combined footing. Go to structural, go to columns. This nearby I provide this columns. Okay, this is our combined footings. How to create the combined footing? This automatically it will be provided. I go to site. How to create the combined footing? Simply go to structural, then go to foundations. You go to slab type or isolated. I go to simply slab type, structural foundation slabs. Okay, I simply click this structural foundation slab, then go to draw rectangular. I take this foundation type, simply click this finish, go to view, create 3D. See this, automatically it's provided, sorry, it's in top. So how to provide this bottom? Simply click this, go to properties, type of properties or ground level, height of it is minus feet, 10 feet. Okay, simply click apply. See this, our different, you created the combined footing also, isolated footings and a normal spread footing also. Now it's clear how to, this is the same procedure, you differentiate in this varies, you simply differentiate in this procedures. Okay, you simply adjust the floor slab for your footing also. See this, you simply created this eccentric footings and then you created then spread footing and then normal combined footing. The same procedure you shown this some of the buildings in this mat footing, simply created the whole slab. See this, this area I need this some of the footings is there in this area. How to create this mat footing? Simply go to structural structural columns. Okay, go to structural columns. See this, I simply click this four columns for my lift area. See this four columns. Then how to create the mat? Go to structural, go to slab, go to structural foundation slabs. Okay, go to draw rectangular. I show that simply this is a mat foundation. Click finish. See this, then 3D. See this, automatically it's created the mat. Simply click this, then go to property, type of properties, then go to minus 10 feet. Okay, apply. See this is shown that automatically shown that you created the mat in this area, mat foundations. Then I show that in this combined footing in this area, then eccentric footing for this areas. Okay, this is a wide frame design. How to see the realistic frame? Simply go to visual styles. Okay, go to visual style real estates. Okay, click this, see this automatically your concrete column. This is our eccentric footing methods is automatically it's created the eccentric footing. This is a normal footing. This is our mat footing. The mat footings are all the footings in this combined one. This is our combined footing, also two footing in this columns. You shown the any figures any area will create this different types of footings. You create the pile footings also in this foundations. Okay, now it's clear how to create the different types of footings in this Revit. You will be analyzed or otherwise shown this diagram also. You give this diagram for your client, you give this in this 3D view, it's easily understand what will be area come this eccentric footing, this type of footing. You will measure the length and others also. See this, I simply go to footing level. This is our eccentric area. How to mention this? Simply go to, yeah, first of all, see this, go to how to measure the center to center dimension. Simply go to annotate. Okay, simply go to annotate dimensions. First of all, I take this center to center dimensions. Okay, simply go to align. I take this center to center dimension. See this, or 20 dimension. Then I take this column dimensions. Okay, column dimensions. This place to this place, the 9 inch. Okay, then go to footing level. This is our 9 inch. This is aligned. This is our 9 inch. Okay, this is our center is a 2 feet. This is our center is a 2 feet. Now it's clear how to take your center to center dimensions for your building. See this is our 2 feet. This is our 2 feet. Now it's clear how to take the center to center dimensions and others for your diagram in this Revit. This is a method to measuring in this footing. Then I have to provide my slab for my combined footing. Simply click this. This length is a 7 feet. My width is a 3 feet. I simply created the my mat slab size. Then how to create my mat size? Simply click this. Then go to 11 feet. This is our 9 feet 6 inches. You measure this. Then you created this center to center dimension also. See this center to this center. This automatically it's created the center to center dimension in easy method. See this. This is our center to center dimension. Click this align. Click this center to center. Now it's clear how to take your center to center footing. This is our center line, column marking line. Then how to create your center to center footing lines and others, etc. That is the simple procedures. Okay, to mark and give the modeling diagram for your site works. Okay, now it's clear. Then how to take this one? This is the center to center. How to take this center to center dimension? Same procedure. 4 feet. To take this center, this portion and this portion. Okay, some problem to take this center to center. This only you will be easily to take a center to center. This one you will be find the half of the portions. Okay, it will be take the easily center to center distance for your buildings. Okay, this is a method to measuring in your dimensions. Okay, I need another center to center dimension. Simply click this. I need this to this center to center. Click this. This automatically it's created this pillar to this pillar. This automatically it will easily to create the center to center dimensions for your buildings. Okay, this is the arrange one, this is one. This is a method. Simply you created your simply go to view, create 3D. This is automatically I created my eccentric footing. Then I go for eccentric footing. This is our combined footing. This diagram will be shown in 3D. This is our mat footing. Then how to give the diagrams for center line and other detailing works? Simply go to see this. This is my center to center. To mention this center to center, then your column center to footing. My column center line is there. My footing length is this side 2 feet and this side 2 feet in x direction. Z direction also same. This combined footing also you provide this same purpose. To take this dimension, you simply click this center to center. Sorry, this center to center column is a 3 feet. See this. You studied in the sums and others, right? You simply take this to this. You automatically the center to the center. You automatically you take this distance. You give this diagram for your clients for this foundation diagrams or any diagrams. You mark your center to center dimension and column to column dimension and footing dimension also. This I mark this footing dimension also. Simply go to align. I mark this my footing dimension 4 feet by 4 feet also. This align. I click this 4 feet by 4 feet. This is automatically. This is the procedure to giving your sheet. This is someone's need your foundation diagram. You simply create in this Revit automatically. This is my eccentric footing. This is also my eccentric footing. Give the center to center and dimensions also. Then you get this is my combined footing. You mention the name also. Simply go to text. This is my combined footing. Simply go to text it. Text it. This is my combined footing means CF1. CF1 means combined footings. Okay, this is our eccentric footing. Eccentric footing EF1. You mention this different names. This is our mat footings. Okay, this is our mat. Mat is a one or one more. Okay, to measure mention this names also. In the additional footing, this is a eccentric footing to EF2, EF3 to provide the name also. Now it's clear how to create the grid lines for your footing, then how to create your columns and how to change your column size and orientation for your columns, then how to create the different types of footings, eccentric footing, then for slab type of footing. See this automatically combined footing with or without loom you will be easily created. Okay, the next step, the compulsory the eccentric footings he provided the column to beam in this end of this pedestals. Okay, how to fix this portion to this portion from this beam, how to provide this portion to this portion in this beam. Simply go to and then footings also he provided the this portion to this portion have some beams also. Okay, and how to this is our eccentric footing. The eccentric footing have this portion to this portion in this beams also. How to find the this portion to this portion in this beam? Simply go to structural, then go to structure beams. Okay, structural beam, then go to properties, type of properties. The steel is there. I simply go to concrete. My this is our beam 9 inch. My width is a 9 inch. My depth is a 1 feet. So okay, I simply click this 1 feet. Okay, you draw your beam. You take this center path of your beam, this end. Okay, simply click this end. Click this. Then go to view, create 3D. This it's automatically it's come below. Then click this. Then how to increase the height? Go to properties, type of properties. This is the offset, start offset, end offset. This is y offset. I need the height of my footing thickness of 5 inch. I simply click this above 5 inch. Click apply. Once again, like this one, right? I click this start offset is a 5 inch. I click this and bottom also 5 inch. Okay, then click apply. This automatically it will be created. I need a full fill. Simply go to select this. Okay, Simply select this, go to properties, type of properties. I give 10 inch, enter, apply. Then this one, see this automatically it will be created 10 inch. There is a 10 feet, 10 inch, enter, apply. This automatically it's created the beams also. This automatically it's created the beam. There's some orientation, you will be centrally fixed, automatically it's created the orientation also. Okay, this is a method to creating the eccentric footing in this beam condition. I show this real pics also. Once again I show this eccentric footing. I show this my real pic how to create the eccentric footing in this. Yeah. This is our eccentric footings. Okay, you will create it in your site or anybody. You will be simply created this eccentric footing. See this. This is our corner column. This is our mat. This a beam will be provided. This beam is joined to this portion to another portions. Okay. The same procedure I will follow in this Revit also. Okay. I simply created in this portion, then beam. Then how to center this? You automatically create a center portion will be created. This is the manner to create the eccentric footing in this beam condition also. Then I contact with the two beams with the slabs are different types of two-way slabs are there. One is a slab and the connected with the beams. Okay, this is our mat foundation. I simply created this mat. Okay, now it's clear how to create the different types of footings. Okay, how to create the grade beams? Same procedure. Simply go to site, simply provide this grade beam for your footing. Simply go to see this. Some of the orientation is wrong. Simply click this. Simply move this. Automatically, it's provided the center also. Yeah, I provided the center. See this. Automatically, the same procedure we will be created this type of eccentric footing. Now it's clear how to create the eccentric footing. That's it. The combined footing also same concept. The mat also same concepts. Okay. Now it's clear how to create the different types of footing in models. Sometimes you create the mat footing, you create the shear walls also. The lift portion you will be create this mat footing. So automatically it's provided the shear walls. Okay. Then how to create the shear wall for this areas. Okay. I move this some column to some distance. That's only easily to understand. Okay. How to create the shear wall for this mat footings. Okay. You simply created the lift portion. The lift portion have the four columns. The four columns is converted into mat. The four sides are provided in this shear wall also, right? The four sides are provided the shear wall. This is our lift area, right? This is our lift area. Then how to provided the shear wall for this lift area is how to provide the this area. Simply go to move it on this portions. Okay, simply move it. Then how to provide the shear wall for this lift area in this foundations. Okay, this is a normal foundation, so no problem. Then you provided this lift area, the mat footing for this lift area. You provided the shear walls also. Okay, then how to provided the shear wall? Then go to footing levels. Okay, this is our footing level. I i provided the corners for my mats also. This, then I provided the shear wall for this four sides. Okay, for this my lift area, this is my lift area. Then how to provide the shear walls? Okay, this is automatically created the shear wall for this area also. Simply go to footing levels, simply go to footings. then go to structural, then go to structural, then go to structural wall, not architectural wall. You go to structural walls. Okay, simply click this structural wall. Click this structural wall. Then you created this height of this wall is at 10 feet. Then go to create the wall. See this portion. This is centerline method. The so many methods are there. I go to select this method for finish face interiors. Okay, I select this finish face interior. Click this. This is totally wrong. I simply go to finish face exterior. Click this automatically. It's created the shear wall also. See this to this portion in this area also. Simply go to finish face interior. I simply finish face exterior. I simply click this shear wall. This area also I find this shear wall also. This I automatically find this shear wall for my lift area. You find the any area, you simply provide this shear walls. Is automatically it's provided the shear walls. The wall pressure is go to top. The bottom one, right? This is a bottom level. It's going to bottom. There is a problem. Simply select your shear walls. Okay. Simply select this shear wall. Then go to properties, type of properties. Okay. Then go to this minus is there. I simply click this 0 base offset. Okay. First of all, I select that. Go to properties, type of properties. I click this 0. Enter. Apply. Top of the wall is lower than base levels. Okay. I go to simply click this 1 feet. Okay. I simply up. Okay. See this again. This is our height of the wall. How to increase the height? Height means simply go to same properties. Then this is our height, the top offset. Sorry, simply go to 10 feet. Apply. This automatically it's created the top offset also. This automatically it's created the top offset. This automatically it's put into 0. This simply put it 0. Automatically it's created the 10 feet. This is different. How to create the shear wall and other same process. Simply click this and then you provided this top height is a 10 feet. You put this 0, then apply. This automatically it's created the shear wall for this 4 side of this buildings. Okay. Then next to 2 sides, simply click this. Go to properties, then properties, then go to this one. Simply click this our height 10 feet. Enter. Then this is our 0. Enter. Apply. This automatically create another one. Same procedure. Simply click this shear wall, then go to properties, then click this 10 feet. Click this 10 feet. Enter. Then go to 0. Apply. This you provide the reinforcement detailing also. Once you created this type of buildings, you simply created the reinforced detailing also. Then detailing method also. See this. I created my footings and other shear walls for my lift area, another area. My foundation work is over. Okay. My foundation work is over. I created the eccentric footing, normal footing. Our foundation work is over. Then I provided the ground level beams. Okay. My elevation, I completed this footing to my ground level. I provided the ground level beam for my buildings. Okay. How to provide the ground level beams? Simply go to create 3Ds. Okay. Simply go to create 3. I provided the ground level beams. Simply go to foot. This is a footing level. This is a ground floor. I simply click this ground floor. Then first of all increase your column height. Okay. First of all increase your column height. How to increase the column? Simply click this. Go to properties. Top height. Top offset. Simply put it 20 feet. Simply click OK. See this. I need a total top. I need this height also. This one. I need another one 10 meter. Total I need 20 feet heights. Okay. Go to 3D. I need 20 feet. Simply click this property. I need 20 feet height. Simply click this 20, apply. This automatically will be created. Then all of us simply click this all the columns. See this automatically I click this all the columns. Simply click this one. Click this, go to properties. I click this one by one. Simply click this, go to properties, then total height. I provided this total height, enter 20 feet. Then this one, I provide this one and this one also. Go to properties, then total height is a 20 feet. In this bottom roof level, I create the total height also. Then I created this all the columns. Simply click this one, this one. Okay, this one I click this 3, then go to properties, then go to this is a 30 feet, oh sorry, 20 feet. I simply click this 20 feet height. Okay, then this also same, all the columns are increased to 20 feet height. Okay, sometimes you will be selected perfectly. Okay, I select this all the column. This I select this all the columns, go to properties, then go to 20 feet, apply. This automatically our column will be created 20 feet. Next our lift area. Lift area also increase the 20 feet height of your column and your shear walls also. First you selected this 4 columns, control and selected this 4 columns. Okay, simply selected this 4 columns, select this column, then go to properties, then go to 20 feet, enter. This automatically it will be created all the columns in this top level. The next one, you will be create the shear walls onto top also. Simply select that shear wall, all the shear walls, simply select that, go to properties, then go to our basement height. Our top height is a 30 feet. Simply click apply. See this, already the 10 feet is there and I need a 20 feet height, total our 30 feet height. See this, automatically it's created the staircase level also. This is our lobby, lift lobby. Then how to find the openings, I tell about how to find the openings also. This is our lift area. I simply click this, automatically I put in this top also. Then how to fix this opening for this shear walls, I tell about how to find the openings also. So okay, now it's I created the footing for this different footings. Then I could go to ground level. This is our ground level. This is our ground level. I simply created the ground beams. Okay, I created the ground beams in this ground level also. How to create the ground beams? So okay, how to create the ground beam means you go for ground floors. Okay, you simply go for ground floor, then go to the ground floor, then go to structure, go to beams. Okay, then go to beams, go to properties, type of properties. Okay, then go to properties, type of properties. I change my size. I simply click this duplicate. This is my another size. I simply click this name. Okay, my beam width is 9 inch, my beam height is 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, I click this 1 feet 6 inches. I created this grade beams also in this portion. See this is some of the portions inside also. So okay, so you take this to this your center portion, then you will be created. So okay, that is a matter. The eccentric footing too difficult, this portion and this portion. See this, I created this. See this one is going to outside, it's totally wrong. In this method I simply go to beams, go to, I need this area, simply take this options. Okay, you take this center line option, you click this, automatically you take this center option also. Then this to center right, you click this center, then this one, then this to this, you click this center, then click this. Now it's automatically created the ground beams. You go to view, create 3D once you check it, but it's going to high, right? I needed that this level ground feet is my this level. I need this my ground feet, but it's created in this different level. I needed this 0 level. How to create the 0 level for this beam? Simply go to, first of all, I create this one beam, right? This is our beam. See this, go to ground, at the ground floor, right? Ground floor. Go to structure, beam. I simply select the center to center or corner. You will change this anyone. Then go to view, create 3D. Then go to click this. Then click this, go to properties, type of properties. Okay. Then offset level, your offset level. Starting offset is my Z, is a minus 10 feet. Then basement offset also minus 10 feet. Simply click apply. This automatically it will be created. See this automatically. Then go to east command. See this automatically this area will be it's created. So, okay, now it's clear. Automatically the ground floor will be created. Then go to ground floor. We will create ground level. Ground level, yeah, ground level it will be created. Then go to structure beams. I created the all the connecting beams. Okay, for ground floors, this is a procedure to creating the ground floor for your areas. Okay, simply connected with the center to center portion and other portions also. See this automatically created this line and this to this line and this to this lines. Okay, this automatically it's created the center to center for this all the beams. See this automatically created the this center to this center beams. This it's easily created this center to this center beams, this center to this center beams, then this center to this center beams. Then this is I do not need this also, I need this. Simply click this, go to view, create 3D. See this, the all levels are same. Once you created in the starting level, to all levels are your grade beam will be same level. See this, automatically it will be created for this grade beams. Okay, this automatically it's created for this ground level. Then how to create the curved grade beam for this area? Simply go to structure beams. Okay, then go to draw. You simply click this start end radius grade beams. Okay, simply click this radius, go to start point, end point, then your radius. See this center point. Simply go to view, create 3D. This automatically it's created the or straight grade beam also ground level beam. See this automatically it simply created the ground level beam also. You created the any shape also, you will join this portion also. I do not join this, you join this portion also. Simply go to structure beam. This automatically provided this, join this our ground floor beam also. This I simply created this ground floor beam. Next level is our first floor beam. I created the first floor beam also. Same procedure. I simply created this ground floor beam. Then I created the first floor beams also. I simply click this first floor. The same procedure. Simply go to beams. Go to properties. I change the size. The ground floor only need a brick weight. Then this also reduce the beam size will be reduced. I change the another name. Then go to my beam size is 1 feet 3 inches. Okay, I simply change into 1 feet 3 inches. The same procedure, your same procedure will be followed. Center to center or corner, you will be provide this. Okay, you take a corner, this corner you will be taking correct positions. Okay, you will be say this correct position to will be create this beams also. So, okay, you will be take this correct positions. This automatically our first floor beam will be created. This automatically same procedure will be simply created is a first floor beam. Go to view, create 3D. Says automatically our first floor beam will be created. Then same procedure, simply go to structural, go to beams, click this portion too. I need this full portion. Click this. Then next one, this beam, migrate beam. Simply click this portion to this portion. Then click this portion to this portion. I need the center to center, and this portion to this portions. Okay, I simply created this beam, then go to this portion to this portion. Simply create it. The next one, this one. I simply create this and create this also. This I simply created this first floor beam also. Since automatically I created the ground floor. Then also I created the first floor also. Then I how to create my floor slab in this ground floor. I create not a normal floor. I create the slab also. How to create the floor slabs in RCC slabs, not architecture slabs. You will create the architecture slab also. It's a no problem. And how to create the RCC slabs for your ground levels? Sim Simply go to your ground level, right? This is our ground level. I create my RCC floor slabs. Okay, I create the RCC floor slab. Simply go to structure, then go to floor. I create the floor structurals. Okay, simply go to floor structural. I create a structural slab, floor structural. Then go to rectangulars. Okay, I create the rectangular slab. See this, center to center. This automatically you create this center to center. Click this, go to mode, finish. Sorry, you create a one by one. Okay, go to draw rectangular to create this portion to this portion, center to center. Then go to mode, finish. Then go to view, create 3D. Check it, automatically it's created the ground floor slabs. Okay, this automatically create the all the portions. Okay, same procedure, go to structural, go to floor, structural floor, then go to rectangular boundary, click this, automatically it's overall slab. Go to mode, finish. This automatically it will be created. Same like that all the floors. I will be simply created this. Same like that all the floors. How to create the all the floors? Simply go to structural, then go to floor, structural floor, then go to rectangular. I created this floors, this area to this area. I created this floors also. Simply click this mode, finish. This I created this overall floor, then this floor also. Go to structural, then go to floor, then rectangular. This automatically click this rectangular also. Click this mode, finish. This automatically it's greater than this one. This one is not suitable for rectangular. It's some wall is there, right? Shear wall and openings for this area is there. So then go to structural floor. Then go to I create a rectangular in this portion also. Okay, I simply created this rectangular. I complete this mode, finish. So okay, then go to view, create 3D. See this, automatically I will be create this. But this portion you will be rectangular, automatically is cut this portions. Okay, how to create the outer portion? I need the outer portion only for slab. How to create the outer portion only slab for all the areas? Same procedure. Simply go to ground level. You same go to structural, go to floor structural, then go to draw. You take a line options. Okay, you take a line option. I simply click this line, then go to click this center point and this center point, then this point, then go to this area. See this area to this area to this area, then finish mode, finish. Then go to 3D. See this off portion will be created. Then this opening portion. Same procedure. Go to ground floor. Then this area. Simply go to structure. Then floor. Then structural floor. Then go to line option. Click this area. Then this area. then same procedure, then go to this area, then this one, then finish it. So, okay, go to mode, some shakes is there, it's an autocorrect position, you fix it correctly. So, okay, then go to see this, automatically it's create the floor, then is a shear wall, so these are center portions are openings. Okay, then there's a lift area, then how to cut your walls in this first floor. This is the ground floor, is no cutting portion. This opening for this my lift area in this ground floor also. How to open for this shear wall? Simply go to mode option, go to edit profiles. Okay, then go to edit profile, then go to draw rectangulars. Okay, this is my opening area. This is our opening area for my lift opening. I give this front view also. I opening for this lift view for this front. Go to draw. I simply click this opening for this lift. Mode finished. This automatically I provide the openings area for my lift in this first floor also. You provide the beams also in this, all the joints also, same procedures. Okay, so same procedures. Okay, now I finish this same procedure. I create this floor and I create the rectangular floor for this all the area, and a line floor for this all the areas. Okay, then how to create the next ground floor slab, and how to create this type of arch slab? Simply click this, go to structure, go to foundation slabs, go to structural foundation slabs, simply click this, sorry, go to floor, go to floor structure, then go to draw, click this start end radius. Okay, click this start end radius, simply go to same procedure, center point, start point, then finish this slab. Click this, go to mode, finish. So no join. Yes, it is the same procedure. Go to structural floor, floor structural, go to rectangular, sorry, arch, start point, then end point, then radius, then go to draw line option, draw this 2 points, is this point and this point, then go to mode, finish. This automatically it's created the arch shape floor also. I simply create this rectangular shape and arch shape floor also. Then you created the ground floor in this roof slab, same procedure. Simply go to structural, go to, you take this foundation is a slab, you take a structural floor slab also, no problem. You simply click this, go to rectangular, I take overall. So, okay, the same procedure. I simply take the overall slab, simply finish. So, okay, I take this overall, go to create 3D. See this automatic, this is no time, the same procedure. Simply click this overall also. So, okay, you cut this slab also. Simply select this, then cut this slab portion also. I tell about how to cut this slab portion. I need this opening for this area. I select this slab, then go to mode, edit boundaries. Okay, then go to draw, then select this rectangular. Okay, rectangular, then correctly zoom it, then go to create this holes, then go to mode, finish. This automatically it's created the openings. Okay, it has all this have, these are some problems to create one by one, it's easy. Okay, next one is a ground floor first floor beams. The first floor, you think the first floor beams also same procedure. Go to structure, then provide this beam for your first floor beam also. This I simply provided this first floor beams, roof beams, sorry, first floor roof beams. You simply provided this first floor roof beams also. This automatically, it's the wrong method. You slab provided, it's no time, I will be provide the total slab. You provide the one by one slab is the correct ones. Okay, I created this overall beams. Is I simply created this beam in this methods. Okay, then go to rectangle, then go to view, create 3D. This automatically it will be created. So, okay, automatically our beam will be created, your combined slab and others. You will be create the arch slab also, same procedures. Okay, in ground floor also same. Simply go to structural, go to beam, go to arch slab, start point, end point, then arch point. Simply click this, view, create 3D. See this, the next floor, the first floor. Simply click this first floor. The first floor you have provided structure, then go to beam, go to draw arch shape. Simply click this start point and end point. Click this beam also. See this, then go to create the slab portion for this area. This automatically create the slab portion also. In this portion I create the top portion for my slab, same procedure. Simply go to first floor, simply go to first floor, go to structure, go to floor, then structural floor, go to draw. I take this overall rectangular, I simply click this overall rectangular. See this, automatically I provide this overall rectangular mode, finish. Then go to view, create 3D. This automatically it's created the overall rectangular floor. Now it's clear how to create this framed structure in this retaining wall modeling and others etc. in this portion. Then how to provide the opening for this next opening for this next floor. Simply click this, go to mode, edit profile, draw rectangular, simply create this openings. Okay, you find the correct dimension, you automatically provide the same openings. Go to mode, finish. See this, I provide this a bottom area, then you provide this same like this. You provide this slab also in this ground level, ground floor also slab. Go to structure, then go to floor, go to arch shape, start point, end point, then arch shape. Then go to line command, click this line, join these two lines, this line to this line, then mode, finish. Okay, then go to view, create 3D. See this, automatically it's created the ground floor also. Then I create the another top roof. Simply go to click this first floor, then go to create this same idea. Click this, then go to structure, then go to floor, click this structural floor, go to draw start end radius. Click this automatically, click this and this point, then go to line command, click this line also. This, simply click this, go to mode, finish. Okay, then view, create 3D. This automatically it's created the one 3D RCC structure. See this, simply created the different types of footings and other works and others etc. You create the staircase also, RCC staircases. You how to create, I need this area and how to edit this floors. See this, I need this staircase area for this area. Simply select this floors. Okay, first of all simply hide this, select this. How to create the staircase for this areas. Okay, simple procedure. Simply go to first is a, I started from my uh, floor, ground floor to first floor. Okay, this area I create the staircase from ground floor to first floor. How to create the RCC staircase, right? Same process. Simply go to architecture, go to circulation, same stair. You simply select that stair, then go to click this properties to stair family, the cast in stair. This is the RCC stair. Okay, the precast stair, this is the RCC stair. Simply click this, is automatically change into RCC slab. Simply click this, is automatically this portion, and I need this portion also. Go to finish. Simply click this, simply move your staircase also. Then go to view, create 3D. This automatically The same procedure will create this staircase also. Same procedure, simply go to ground floor. I create this ground floor. Right. I simply delete this. Simply go to architecture, circulation, staircase. Then go to our normal concrete slab. Simply select this cast insert. Give simply click OK. Then created this staircase also. Is then go to mode finish. Then go to click this portion. Then move it, fix it on your slab. You provide the reinforcement also in this concrete staircase also. Then go to view, create 3D. Okay, so some problem to viewing our staircase. I tell about how to fix the staircase also in this portion also. We provide the concrete staircases and other works in this portion also. So, okay, we provide the concrete portions and then other works also. Okay. The simple method, you provide the concrete staircase and other. I simply created this whole area, concrete beams and concrete slabs and other than shear wall and others also. You create another shear wall types also. This is the RCC walls and the concrete shear walls also. You take on this walls also. I need this type of walls. Will be simply go to this also concrete walls. This is our walls, is the right foundation walls. This is also different. This is a retaining wall. That is a shear wall. You provide the retaining for walls for my ground floor. Simply select this retaining wall 300 mm. Simply click OK. I provide this retaining wall in this ground floor. I simply select my ground floor. I provide this retaining wall. Simply go to select your wall. I provide this retaining. Same procedure. Simply select that, go to provide the centers. Okay, then go to view, create 3D. This is automatically it's created the here what, sorry, it's not visible. I How do I visible this? I tell about tomorrow class. You create this other than all of this. Okay, you create the normal wall also, you create the staircases and others etc. in the structural template also. You'll be create the normal walls and other walls. Simply says I create the ground level. Simply go to structural and go to walls. You go to structural walls also, click this. This retaining wall, sorry, that is not a shear wall, that is a retaining wall. I simply click this retaining wall, then click OK. Then I created this portion to this portion. Simply click this, unjoin this element, go to view, create 3D. This automatically the shear wall retaining wall will be created. The shear wall will be next category. Then see this automatically my ground floor fully adapted for my shear wall also. Simply click this shear wall, then automatically you will be created. So, okay, in this ground floor I need a first floor for normal walls. How to create the ground floor first floor for normal walls? Simple method, simply go to select this walls also. Okay, simply go to walls, select this wall architecture, then go to click this walls, this area to this area, click this wall, go to create 3D. Again, it's not visible, some of the option is there. I tell that how to create the wall option and others also. Same procedure, you go to create this walls, structural walls, then go to properties, you change into normal walls. You select that normal walls, click OK. Then I created this normal walls also. You create 3D. Yeah, this is automatically you created the normal wall. This is our shear wall. This is our shear wall. This is our normal wall. This is a method to easily to create your normal walls and shear walls for this all the sides also. This is our retaining wall, my ground floor. This is a normal floor for this all the area. To create the staircases and others also, that is option is that to create this wall. This is our walls also normal. Sorry, that is our shear wall. I wrongly told that. It's okay. This is our shear wall. Simply select that. This is our retaining wall. Same, this is our normal wall also. You create the window and other works are you put it in your way. This works also. You provide the windows, doors for your normal walls. Also, see this, you provide the staircases, another works, all the works you will be framed structure will be completed. So, okay. Simply go to structure, then go to you create the beams and walls for this normal structural walls. Then you change this portion of size. Simply click this. I this is our retaining wall. Simply click this. I need a shear wall means automatically it changes concrete wall. See this. Sorry, this is our concrete wall. Simply change this. Click this. Click OK. See this. This is our shear wall. You simply created this. Okay. This is a difference. You create the retaining wall and other walls. Same like a same image like a same portion, but you differentiate into wall portions. Okay. See, this is our concrete walls. This is our retaining walls also. I provide the glass panel walls, that type of walls. You simply change it, provide the glass panel walls, any type of walls in this top portions and the bottom portions also. Now it's clear how to create the RCC model in this Revit. First of all, you simply create the grid lines, then you go for which one? You create the grid lines and other lines, floor plans, levels. Simply go to see the levels. You see these levels automatically provide this levels. This the staircase will be this area. So once again, visible in this view, but it's not. So it says some problem, but this staircase is visible in this view. This is automatically the staircase in this view. This is a concrete staircase also. You provide the reinforcement for in this staircase also. Okay, to provide the staircases for this full area. Tomorrow we'll discuss how to provide the staircases. Another one. See, this is our ground footing level. This is our ground floor beam. This is our roof first floor and the slabs and the staircases, shear wall and others, etc. Now it's clear how to create the simple framed structure in this building. You simply created it. Then I created this framed structure. Then how to find the detailing works in this is the easy method. I tell about how to create this detailing methods in this RCC frames. Next one, then how to see the analytical view for analyst view. Okay, how to see the analytical views in this Revit. See this. This is our analytical view. Simply click this. Is automatically it's changed into analytical view for your building. See this. These different colors. This is our different colors. Okay. This is our different colors for your view. This is our floors. This is our slabs. This is our retaining wall for your the shear wall for your slab. This is a normal floor. This is our floor slab for combined footing. This is our foundations. Okay, now it's clear how to see your analytical view for your building. This is the methods. Okay, now it's clear how to create the RCC framed structure in this Revit. Then tomorrow we'll discuss on how to apply the foundations and then how to view the loads and others, area loads and others for your values. Okay, now it's I complete this section now itself. I hope you understand how to create the one framed structure in this Revit also. So, okay, this is a method to creating the different types of foundations and others type of foundations. Okay, this is our different shade colors. This is our shear walls. You will be create the shear walls and retaining walls and others also. You give the load automatically it will be taken. So, okay, you will be create the staircase also. Okay, now it's clear. I complete this section now itself. Any doubt you will ask me. Otherwise, we will meet on tomorrow 17. How to same procedure, how to analyze this same procedure, how to give the boundary condition, fixed support or any support, then load condition, how to apply the load case, then how to analyze the robot structures and others, etc. Okay. Now I complete this section now itself. Any doubt will ask me. Okay. It's understand this in this class, how to create the RCC frames in different methods. Okay, tomorrow class will be apply on this, how to apply the RCC rain, sorry, how to applying the loads and footings and how to analyze your robot structures, then how to take the reinforcement detailings and detailing other values. And next Saturday and Sunday we'll discuss about how to provide the reinforcement detailing in this Revit for your columns and beams and others, etc. Then how to take the cost estimation and others, etc. Okay. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow we'll discuss on how to analyze in robot structures. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we will meet on tomorrow class.